hard to keep up with demand, right? But I think we've done some really good work with identifying priorities. The Canada Winter Games for us has earmarked a number of facility developments that we'll be focused on in the next 3 or 4 years in order to support that event. But what's important is the legacy that's left after. The day after the Games, our community will have access to better improved facilities. I think everybody's familiar with, or maybe not, but Great Chief Park is going to have a revitalization and the relocation of our ice oval. We'll be doing work to expand the trail system. So out at Riverbend, we need to expand and improve the trails out there to accommodate biathlon and cross-country skiing activities. Canyon will see some upgrades. So our downhill skiers, our freestyle skiers, snowboarders will have a different experience out there after the Games. The Red Deer Arena, while not connected to our Games bid, it's going to come down next spring, April 2016, and be up in time for the Games. And that facility will just be a refreshed version of what's there already to serve our community. So I think that it's an investment in our community, but the real benefit is the day after the Games and all of those new refreshed facilities.